Hi, HY. We are going into Walmart real quick. He just got his new watch. Now we just going, I'm gonna drop y'all. Now we just going in here so I can get some snacks and some stuff for the house. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button and the little bell notification so y'all can be notified of my videos. But we in Walmart, guys. The honey going to hit on me. Say, he ain't act up today, y'all, yet, because he was getting something he wanted. This is what I gotta deal with, y'all. The goofy goober. Okay. I want a candy bag too. I didn't bring my tripod, y'all, so I'm gonna be holding y'all while we in the store. I can put my purse in here and prop it up the old school way. That's how we gonna do this, guys. All right, y'all, let's go shopping. He's gonna give me this raggedy ass cart, y'all. It's all shaking and stuff. They got a lot of Halloween stuff out now right now, y'all. Look. It's that time of year. Halloween. I don't got no little ones no more, guys, so I can't enjoy it, but I'm gonna try to decorate the house if at all possible. Y'all, I got a candle fetish. I'm gonna admit that to y'all. I do love candles. I love the way they smell. They got some new ones too. Oh, this smells good. It's called Velvet Sunset, y'all. It smells really, really good. I think I'm gonna get this for our bedroom. I'm gonna get just 2 candles today. Just two. They got a pineapple fluff. I don't like that. That stinks. Not getting that one. I normally get this one all the time, guys, but I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. This one is bomb. When I tell y'all, delicious. Smells good. This is Island Party. You want to smell this one, babe? Oh, that smells special.
That's good. Yeah, I like that.
I'm going to get these 2, guys. These are 2 new ones. It's some pineapple flesh, but it stinks. So we're going to get this Island Party and this Velvet Sunset for the bedroom. You know. It smells good. Smells delicioso. What you doing? Looking at your stuff. I need some more washcloths. It don't even make no difference because they don't never keep up with them.
No, they don't.
I need to check them bath towels too. Once we get this stuff. Currently looking for a furnace filter, guys. I don't know if they got any. They didn't have any the other day, but we'll see. Test our luck and see what we can get today. We do need some more light bulbs. I really hate not having it in the house. Let me go get these light bulbs, y'all, because we don't got none in the house. And I'm like, if the light go out, we are stuck. I guess here or something like this. My daughter just got a new car at the end of July, guys, and I'm going to start my Christmas shopping. What y'all think? She has no idea.
She ain't gonna wash it off. She gonna have me wash it.
She right. My husband will end up washing it, so we're going to put that back. That'll be more like a gift for him, because I think we came on the wrong aisle. These ain't the light bulbs. Go up. I swear they did. Look at this, y'all. Light bulbs are not cheap anymore. And you know we need the LED to keep the electricity bill down. But they're not cheap no more, guys. So These LEDs, I haven't been using the melt away because I don't know where these lights is. They're putting the melt aways in.
There's one on the living room table.
But I haven't been using it for the bathroom or nothing because we ain't had no more of
It
those.
ain't in the, they ain't put it in that thing.
I don't know, guys. I don't know what I want to get. We shall see. All right, guys. So I settled on these light bulbs. That's what we're going to do. Oh, they got little patty pies.
How they do? Get the hell out of here.
Look, y'all, I never had a patty pie, but I'm tempted to taste it to see if it's as good as they say it is.
I ain't never had no damn patty pie.
I'm about to taste these pies. We're going to taste these little Patti LaBelle pies and let y'all know if it's really worth the hype. We'll see. And they got some pecan and some apple.
Oh yeah, I just get one of these one day for the bathroom.
Liquid hand soap. That's big. They got some skinless catfish fillet. Catfish is good. Get the front bag. I'm so picky, y'all. Like, I be thinking people be putting stuff back like after they let it sit out, so I don't never get the front bag in the store. So we're gonna have some meatball hoagies, y'all. So we're gonna get these buns. Yeah, this is enough. Since I don't got no turkey, I'll eat those too. I was thinking about getting some of these pizza rolls or I like pierogies, so mommy's getting her some pierogies. My baby don't eat pierogies, y'all, but I do. I love them. One of these pot pies is microwavable. We're about to find out, right? Yeah, it is microwavable. You ever eat a pot pie?
No, I never did. I'm always to tear the things up.
Sure it is. Y'all, I ain't had these in so long, y'all. Who all eat the pot pies? Pot pies are fire. They're good. So we're gonna enjoy the pot pies. Now I gotta get me some snacks, y'all. Gotta get me some chips and
You crushed the whole thing of chips?
man, I tore that up. And I'm scared to buy it again because I'll be done tore it up again.
Ain't nobody know you had them?
If they did, they ain't say nothing. So I'm trying to think what I want this time. I can get some flaming hot. Oh, they got some flaming hot. I don't know. I like hot chips, y'all. I think I might try these flaming hot Ruffles. See, I be wanting a variety of chips, so that's what be making me get like different bags. Maybe I'll get the flaming hot pack this time. No, I don't like the tortillas.
Got no snacks.
You better get you some, because you ain't gonna be eating my snack. You better find you a snack, because I'm gonna get them flaming hot ones. I'm gonna get these. I ain't getting the front bag. All right, because that dip is in there, just old. I'm gonna go and get some of these hot chips. And now I just need something sweet. Some Pringles or something. You ain't even got that many poopies in there. I about to say, I didn't see that many in.
No, this is no. Well, yeah, I'm gonna go and get a half a gallon. Oh, you're gonna get.
Get some cheese, put some cheese fries.
Put my chips in that cup. I thought it was
The
on.
heck you is losing your mind, babe.
Oh my God.
It shows y'all my baby don't be paying attention. He here coughing. He's better keep the cough to himself, y'all. So I got some cheese in case we have like cheese dogs or something like that. I should get a thing of bacon so I can wrap up them dogs again. That was fire. This right here. We want some wrap hot dogs, y'all. Wraps hot dogs. They are good. I'm trying to tell y'all.
Yeah, get some more buns.
I know. Cause we don't got enough for the meatball hoagies or.
Oh no. Let me have it up.
Look at these sausage rolls. These probably would have been nice. Oh, they soft. They nice and soft.
What's this?
That's our cheesing. Don't say nothing if you don't know nothing.
What's all the white stuff on there?
It's just the powder, babe. That's it.
Who put powder on bread?
It's mind your business. If you want the buns or not. We'll be back. Alright, y'all. So this is our snacks right now. Mommy got her some Rice Krispies, some diced pears, peaches, excuse me, and juice, and we got Daddy some Gerald peaches, jello. And we gonna, I ain't get a lot of stuff, guys, but this is the majority. We're gonna have these tonight, guys, so I will do a video with those. I got some hot chips, some ravioli, some old tater tots to go with these wings. Got some Pop-Tarts, some more miscellaneous stuff, guys. But this is all we getting at the store today. Just wanted to show y'all the finished product. Because that's about it. Alright, guys. See y'all in the next video.